what's this key fusion trick? Well, it is something that every fusion solo player does, whether it be a keyboard player, a piano player, a guitarist, anybody, is that in all the other styles of music, we very often, or more often than not, start our lines when we solo on an on beat. And that is basically the downstrokes, right? So if you got a song, I'm just going to put it on the jam track in a second and demo this for you. But if you have a song that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have the, 1, 2, 3, then you can start on 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, So instead of going ba-da-da, ba-da-da, you go ba-da-da, ba-da-da. And because, if you want to contribute to the harmony, you want to play some other notes that are than the ones that are in the chord already in the background. You want to spice things up in your solo and contribute something, right? And the same thing goes for rhythm. So it makes sense that every, right? It's on the on beat all the time, and the bass and everything, right? So you want to start in another place and kind of stand out from the background. So it's not a stupid idea. But I'm just going to put on the jam track. But just to take it slow in the beginning, here you go 1, 2, and just play a rock riff, right? Be-do, bo-do, right? That would be like kind of a rock line. But in fusion, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Be-do, ba-do, be-do, ba-do, be-do, ba-do. It's a more complex line, and it's a little bit harder to play, but a good idea is to strum it in the beginning, because then you know that the offbeat is going to be on my upstroke. So I'm just going to put on a little piece of music here. This is Power Funk guitar backing track in D minor from Jammin' Backing Tracks. So go visit those. Please like and subscribe. So this would be the basic beat, right? 2, 3, 4. It's in the key of D minor. Those are all the downstrokes. Where are all the upstrokes? This is the offbeats. And you can start just by playing on all the upstrokes, right? And then once you start creating a little bit more complex lines, like right? So then suddenly I'm saying ba-dee-dee-doo-doo-doo, ba-dee-dee-doo-doo-doo, ba-dee-dee-doo-doo, ba-dee-doo, right? Ba-dee-dee-doo-doo, ba-dee-dee, ba-dee-dee, ba-dee-dee. It's always on the upstroke. Right? Ba-dee-doo-doo-doo, ba-da, 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 right? And you can also take the subdivisions even faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, ba-da, da, 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 1, da, 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 ba-da, 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 right? So take a slower track in the beginning if you need to, but see if you for a month, entire 4 weeks, can practice every single day with the jam track in the background and never start a line on the on beat, right? Ba-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-da, ba-da, right? Right? So a very, very good exercise, and it also gives you freedom. Something cool happens once you start doing this all the time. It becomes easier to improvise because not everything is so heavy. It's like it gives you more freedom to also end your lines in whatever place you like. It really is a little doorway into some pretty cool stuff. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment by all means if you have any experience in this area or anything to add to the lesson. I'm very happy to hear you. So see you in the next video.